Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. Number of integers satisfying the inequality log of mod x minus 3 base 1 by 2 is greater than minus 1 is asked to you. So guys, base of logarithm is in between 0 and 1. That means it's a decreasing function, and whenever we have logarithm of anything as a decreasing function in form of inequality, when I would be going to take anti-logarithm, inequality would be definitely shifting. So what should be written by me? Log of mod of x minus 3 base 1 by 2 is greater than minus 1 is given to you. 1 by 2 is greater than minus 1 is given to you. Now taking anti-logarithm, mod of x minus 3 is less than 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 it will be, which is this thing, mod of x minus 3 is greater than 0 over here. So mod of x minus 3 is greater than 0 and mod of x minus 3 is less than 2. Guys, this will be yielding what? Mod of anything should be greater than or equal to 0. When it will be achieved as 0 by me, when x will be becoming 3 over here. So all real number minus 3 will be the solution of first inequality. And second inequality will be yielding minus 2 is less than x minus 3 is less than 2. Adding 3 throughout the inequality, minus 2 plus 3 will be becoming 1 less than x less than 5 over here. Now what all values of x will be achieved by me? 2, 3, 4 are the integral values of x achieved by me. But at the same time they told all real number minus 3. So taking intersection of these two things, I'll be getting what? R minus 3 x belongs to and x belongs to the set 2, 3, 4. So x will be belonging to only set 2, 4 only. So how many values of x has been achieved by me? 2 values of x has been achieved by me. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.